Привет, ребята! And today I want to tell you one little story. When you will be listening to this story, try to imagine this. Yeah, try to picture all this story in your head. Yeah, you can even close your eyes if it will help you. Yeah, so this story will be about Nick. So Nick is a man. He is a farmer. So he has horses on his yard. He feels bad all the time when a week begins and with a sad face goes to work. But this Monday, when he took his pony to work, the pony was quite naughty and didn't want to go. Nick was trying to calm me down for hours, and that's why he came back home too late, because Pony delayed Nick. On Tuesday, he gave the second chance to Pony. They went together, but in one moment the pony began kicking and biting. Yeah, so they were near hell. So Nick fell down from the hell and torn his feet. Feet tore Nick. On Wednesday, he stayed home. He worked a lot, so he deserved some rest. All the time when he's resting, he eats sweets. He went to the fridge and this time he found 3 dark chocolates. Like every person, he had a vice. He liked to cheat, and on Thursday, he usually goes to play poker. His eyes were so glistening during the games, and he was really good at cheating. Cheating was the favorite part of the game. Cheat is very cool. Friday is the day of parties. Nick liked parties. Friends called him from one pub and told him, "Join us. This party needs more arms." On Saturday, Nick and his friends were tired and they went to the beach. Nick enjoyed waves and breeze. Suddenly, all of them felt an amazing smell, and the smell was from the boat converted into a restaurant. He immediately recognized his favorite chicken noodle soup. They went to the boat. On Sunday, usually he was sitting on his yard in an armchair and he understood his vices and his lifestyle are not so well, yeah, and he wants to get rid of these vices, yeah, and it's time to get serious about your life. So voice inside the Nick just screams, "Sinner, shame on you," yeah, so Nick sighted and accepted the situation, like, yeah, you're right, I am the sinner. So, when we talk about Monday, it's Pony delay Nick, Понедельник, Tuesday, yeah, so feet tore Nick, Вторник, Среда, 3 dark chocolates, yeah, so Среда, Thursday, cheat very cool, Четверг, Friday, Пятница, party needs arms, Saturday, soup boat, Суббота, Sunday, voice screams sinner, yeah, Воскресенье. So that is the story. So it's not for memorization, it's for imagination. Try to imagine this, yeah, and this will help to memorize the words deeper, because you will have this bridge between your language and Russian, yeah, so it's not about just table and stool. If one day you will forget about table, about stool, yeah, you can do this bridge, like this connection, yeah, so these stories will be your bridge to not forget the words. So this time we talked about weekdays. So leave a comment for me if you liked my story and if you want to listen more of these stories. Спасибо. Пока.